enthralling journey through the lands of captivating contrast, West Bengal and Sikkim, the land of mystic splendor.
दीदी बता ना सिक्किम या पूरी?
अरे मेरी बहना तू ही डिसाइड कर ले।
भैया अब आप ही बता सिक्किम या पूरी?
ओहो अरे यहाँ पकड़ कर रहे हो दादा। पापा ने जब से पूजा वेकेशन में घुमाने ले जाएंगे बोला तब से क्या पूरी कंफ्यूज हो रही है।
हाँ दादू अब आप ही बताओ सिक्किम जाना है या पूरी जाना है?
क्या तुम्हारा है ना यूट्यूब चैनल?
हाँ कर ले यूट्यूब चैनल, चलो नाटक देखते हैं।
The kingdom of Sikkim was founded by the Namgyal dynasty in the 17th century. It became the princely state of British India in 1890. After independence, Sikkim continues its protected status with the Republic of India. It enjoys the highest literacy rate and per capita income among the Himalayan states. In 1975, the monarchy was revoked by the people, and a referendum laid joining Sikkim, India, as its 22nd state. Sikkim is the second smallest state of India, with approximately 7,000 square kilometers and only 6 lakh of population. However, it has been declared as the first organic farming state and first open defecation-free state in 2016. The same year, Sikkim was also ranked as the cleanest state in India.
Mount Kanchenjunga is the highest peak in India and third highest in the world. Its capital and largest city is Gangtok. His Excellency Sri Lakshman Prasad Acharya is the governor and Sri Prem Singh Tamang is the chief minister of Sikkim. It shares international waters with Tibet, Bhutan and Nepal. It has the second largest population of Gurkhas in India, only after Darjeeling. Sikkim has 4 districts divided into 4 regions. In terms of its unique natural beauty, Sikkim has India's 3 highest altitude lakes. Gurudungbar Lake and Chambu Lake are the famous lakes. Reshi and Gurong Hot Spring are also a great attraction in South Sikkim.
Sikkim is rich in its flora and fauna. The chief attraction of Sigma rhododendron sanctuary is the different species of rhododendron shrubs and trees that blend a beautiful look during the spring season. The state flower of Sikkim is the Naval orchid. The state bird is bird season, while the state animal of Sikkim is red panda. In the field of agriculture, Sikkim is the second highest producer of cardamom and also famous for turmeric and ginger.
Tourism is the backbone of Sikkim's economy. Rumtek Monastery, Buddha Park of Ram Bangla, and Siddheshwar or Char Dham are the major attraction. A 10-feet tall Ashok stump was unveiled by Sri Ganga Prasad Acharya in the Black Cat Museum. Nathula connects Sikkim to Tibet Autonomous Region, has served as an official border personal meeting point. Baba Harbhajan Singh Memorial Temple was built in the memory of Sepoy Harbhajan Singh of 23 Punjab, who went missing, but people believe that Baba is still alive. The 3 ethnic communities, Lepcha, Bhutia, and Nepalis, are an ingrained part of the Sikkimese culture.
When you come and visit Sikkim,
gentlemen, West Bengal, the land of great diversity, is located in the eastern India. It is the fourth most populous state in the country with Kolkata as its capital. The state is widely considered as the melting pot of cultures. Ram Chara Bengal was ruled by Bengal Sultanate, Hindu Rajas and landlords. Famous dynasties were Gauda, Mallabhum, Pala and Sena. The Battle of Plassey allowed the British to consolidate their hold in Bengal. In 1947, Bengal was finally partitioned on religious grounds with the creation of East Pakistan or modern-day Bangladesh. Dr. C.V. Anand Bose is the governor, while Srimati Mamata Banerjee is the Chief Minister of West Bengal. In 2017, the Kanyashri Prakalpa of Government of West Bengal won the United Nations Public Service Award. In 2023, the Duare Sarkars were also awarded the Platinum Award from the Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu.
सुनो आगामी 16 अगस्त 2021 से हमारे राज्य में शुरू हुआ है दुआरे सरकार एंड पारा समाधान प्रकल्प। हर घर घर गए हर इंसान के पास दुआरे सरकार।
Some of the unique architectural styles of Kolkata includes the Raj Bhavan, the High Court, St. Paul's Cathedral, Indian Museum, General Post Office, Victoria Memorial, the Birla Planetarium, and the Howrah Bridge.
The lifestyle of people in Kolkata is very unique. The age-old hand-pulled rickshaws are still on the streets, carrying both the elite and the ordinary. The iconic yellow taxis are considered as the king of Kolkata roads.
ओ टैक्सी रुको आज मेरे बिटिया रानी की शादी की बात है। लड़के वाले देखने आ रहे हैं और बाजार भी जाना है। रोबिन चंद्र दास की रसगुल्ला इलिश वो आप लोग बोलते हो ना हिलसा और मिष्टी दही भी लाना पड़ेगा। लेट हो गया चलो भाई चलो।
One of the historical marvels of Bengal is the Hajarduari Palace, which means a palace with thousands of doors. The historic Terracotta temples of Vishnupur, consisting 20 temples, were added in the tentative list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites in 1998. Rabindranath Tagore was the first person to win the Nobel Prize. He established a school at Shantiniketan, which later grew into a world university as Vishwabharati.
This year, Shantiniketan has been recognized by UNESCO as India's 41st World Heritage Site. Its uniquenesses: open-air classrooms, nature walks, and learning in the lab of nature.
The land of North Bengal has various natural attractions. The speciality of Darjeeling is the tea garden. The famous toy train of Darjeeling has been awarded by the UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1999. Ghum railway station is the highest railway station in India. Tiger Hills, Samarkand, and Gulmarg National Park are the other places of interest.
other. Their rich cultural heritage and the creative minds of people of Bengal are best reflected in Baul. The Robin Chongit and the Robindro Nritto. The Santhali dance. The Bengali rock. জীবনে ভাবনা ভুলেছি ভাবনা সামনে যাবে কি জানি না সে কি আসল কি না বুঝছো না Pururia's prominent toe.
The contributors on literary movements are Raja Rammohun Roy, Pandit Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Gurudev Rabindranath Thakur, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, and Swami Vivekananda inspired the whole youth of the nation.